In this video I'm going to show you how you can work with pie and donut charts while charting in Empower. You can insert a pie and donut charts by navigating the Empower Charts button right here. Now I'm going to insert a pie chart on this slide in order to show you some features corresponding to this chart type. While working with a pie chart, you have the possibility to use an in-chart legend that you can see right here. You can set this option in the Properties menu, right here, Show Legend, and then you have the possibility to click on In Chart. I could also switch the position, for example, to the right. Right here I can furthermore define the size of the pie in the area of the chart. So I could adjust this right here. Moreover, I have the option to use a custom label right here in the Data Labels menu by clicking on the button Custom. The custom label can contain the category of the respective label. So right now our label only contains the percentage value, and if I click on Add, I can add another element to this custom label. That could be, for example, the category. Now I can change the position and create my own custom label. That could, for example, look like this, and if I click on OK, all my labels contain the category of the respective data point. And this allows me to see all the relevant information directly combined in the data label. In the data menu, I can set the categories order, if they should be ordered clockwise or counterclockwise. By definition, a pie chart only has one series, and this is why you cannot define the series orders, as it can be done in other chart types. You can see in the mini Excel that this chart only has one series right here. Note that we created separate videos on the different menus of the action bar above my chart, where you can find further information, for example on the Properties menu and the Data Labels menu. If I want to highlight one individual piece, I can also pull it out of my pie chart by simply clicking and dragging like that. And this rotation symbol inside of my chart allows me to rotate the chart the way I want. On this slide we're going to insert a donut chart by simply clicking right here. Concerning most features, the donut charts behave very similarly to pie charts. The first difference while working with a donut chart would be that I cannot pull one piece out of my chart. Secondly, I have the option to create additional series. For example, I could add another series in my mini Excel right here. And now you can see that the series are displayed as multiple circles into one another. I hope this video helped you to understand the specialties while working with pie and donut charts in Empower. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.